Zakia Hoironi Siregar. Now I wanna explain our research about developing ESP teaching material for secretary communication from workplace tasks to classroom practice. So our research investigates how English for specific purpose or ESP material can be designed to strengthen professional communication skill for secretary the modern workplace. So the study reveals that effective ESP material must combine linguistic accuracy, pragmatic awareness, and strategic communication, especially in handling intercultural interaction and conflict situation. So this integrated approach prepares secretary to perform as confident, empathetic, and globally competent communicator. There are the three major reasons why developing special ESP material for secretary is essential today. So the first is, the role of secretary has evolved from simple administration to strategic communication. So they now act as the bridge between management and stakeholder, requiring proficiency not just in grammar but in diplomat, politeness, and cultural awareness. So the second is, most current ESP courses still focus on general English rather than authentic workplace communication. Our research showed that materials should simulate real tasks such as managing meetings, writing professional email, and resolving client misunderstanding to reflect actual corporate demands. So the tip is, integrating neuro-linguistic programming or NLP and conflict management strategies enhance emotional intelligence and communication stability. Through techniques like mirroring, reframing, and empathy training, secretary can maintain professionalism and build rapport even in stressful interaction. So to explore this issue, we conduct a qualitative descriptive study involving 15 active secretary, 30 SP students, and 5 lecturers from vocational institutions. So the data were collected through need analysis survey, semi-structured interview, and authentic document analysis, including business email, meeting minutes, and memo. So the finding revealed three major gaps between classroom teaching and workplace needs. So the first is limited focus on pragmatic and intercultural competence, and the second is lack of strategic training in conflict resolution, and the last is minimal exposure to authentic material. By analyzing these results thematically, we identified that combining linguistic, pragmatic, and strategic competency provides a holistic foundation for ESP learning. So the participants also reported improved confidence and clarity in professional English communication when NLP-based tasks were used in class. So the conclusion is, developing ESP material for secretary must go beyond grammar. It must reflect real corporate communication, emotional intelligence, and cultural sensitivity. By integrating authentic workplace tasks, NLP, and conflict management theory, educators can create learning material that truly prepare secretarial students for the challenges of global office. So this study highlights that effective ESP is not just English for work, it's English for human connection, enabling secretary to communicate with professionalism, empathy, and confidence in today's international environment.
Here I want to explain about my article, and the title is Developing ESP Teaching Materials from Secretary Communication from Workplace Tasks to Classroom Practice, in-depth study exploring how English for Specific Purpose or ESP teaching materials can be more effectively developed to prepare secretaries for the communication demands of the modern workplace. This paper focuses on the evolved role of secretaries from mere administrative assistant to circle communications liaisons, requiring strong English language skills in various aspects such as writing, telephone ethics, meeting facilitations, and negotiations. A primary motivation from this research is to address the gap between traditional language instruction and the specific needs of today's workplace environment. The study presents significant contributions by integrating various theoretical frameworks and practical approaches. This includes research on workplace communications, conflict management theories, and neuro-linguistic programming or NLP. The author emphasized the importance of ESP material in incorporating authentic professional text, intercultural pragmatic conflict management strategy, and NLP-based communications awareness. The research methodology employs a qualitative descriptive approach using need analysis, document analysis, and semi-structured interview with active secretary. ESP student and lecture data was collected through surveys, interview, and the analysis of workplace documents like emails and memos. The research results reveal a significant mismatch between what is taught in current ESP courses and the actual communication skills needed in the workplace. Secretaries require greater proficiency in email ethics, telephone communication, business correspondence, and conflict management. Therefore, the author argued the ESP material should shift away from a focus on abstract grammar toward functional communication texts that mirror real-world workplace scenarios. Another key finding is the need for an emphasis on cross-cultural politeness. Many secretaries report difficulties in interacting with international clients, indicating a need pragmatics-based ESP teaching that emphasizes soft skills and social-linguistic sensitivity. The study also highlights the importance of integrating conflict management strategy and NLP techniques to enhance interpersonal awareness and help secretaries remain calm and persuasive under pressure. Furthermore, data from student internship journalists indicates that many secretarial students experience anxiety during professional communication, emphasizing the need for learn through simulation, reflection, and practical application. And in conclusion, the paper argues that the development of ESP material from secretaries should be guided by workplace realities, authentic communication practice, and strategic linguistic competence by integrating NLP, conflict management theory, and cross-cultural pragmatic. Teacher and help students master not only English but also the professional behavior, empathy, and intercultural awareness demanded by today's correspondent environment. That's all my explanation for me. Thank you.